What's up guys? Before Christmas.
After Christmas, like and subscribe. Share peace and love.
In fairness, kay Balo ko gagaw sa share peace and love. Focus! Alright. Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. We are here at Balo-I, a municipality in Lanao Del Norte. So let's go in 3, 2, 1.
Balo-I is a third-class Muslim municipality in Lanao Del Norte, Philippines. It is located approximately 19 kilometers from Iligan City and 18 kilometers from Lanao City.
Naka-lipstick din siya. Prepared.
Let's go!
First stop, Nangka Man-Made Lake is the home of the Agus 4 hydroelectric power plant, which is the first underground hydroelectric plant in Mindanao and the third in the Philippines.
Nakuha na siya sa gamit na sa Agus 4 hydroelectric power plant.
Asa mo?
Taga-asa me?
Oh.
Taga Balo-I.
Record na. Oh.
Second stop, Balo-I were given the award for Seal of Good Governance by the DILG twice in a row for the last 2 years. That's amazing!
Eco-friendly municipality. Look at the... There's a cow over there and chicken.
We got here a symbol of Muslim royalty here at Balo-I Municipal Hall. Alright, that's it!
Government Center! Government Center!
Abid ako overnight. Taga-asa ka tayo?
Mag-meeting. Taga Balo-I.
Taga-saan ka?
Kapasig.
Alam si Jan.
Spider-Man ako.
Hindi.
Tululaway to.
Ang bakit mong tignan kung naging Spider-Man ka?
Taba?
Mataba na Spider-Man. Hindi kakat-kat sa wall. Back to start. Wala na save si Spider-Man. Wala na save si Spider-Man.
Third stop,
Namin sa airport sa Balo-I. Nga, abandon na ni siya.
Dili man, ginagamit niya po sa mga military.
Dito nag-shooting yung Fast and the Furious eh.
Char.
Oh wow, English. An airport, but I don't know what happened.
Life forever.
Forever.
Dili na dayon.
Oo, dili na dayon.
Mura na siya glove line. Mali!
Mali.
Dili na dayon. Wala na dayon. Wala na dayon. Oh, mura lagi mong love life, no? Wala na dayon. No, dili madayon always.
Consistent.
Ay, yeah, congrats! Consistent.
Katong night tower dito. Marawi City na to.
Basta na dira, pangitalan niyo dira basta na.
Marawi City.
Then that one is
Apo Hill.
Apo Hill.
Call of prayer. Ano siya? Azan. Call of prayer.
Call of prayer. I wonder guys if you can hear it, but I have 5 prayers a day and pila na ang 3 PM. So there's a mosque right over there.
Stop is eating na. Okay, come on.
Finally!
fourth stop,
Joke! So guys, we're in a little bit of trouble right now. So the rain started to pour and then our tire, kulangan og hangin, so ilis done ni Kuya Joari og tire. My God!
Diyan may nakaplatan eh. Baby, what have you done? After 48 years. Inay ulan. Hindi nakisama. Eh kung di pa ni kabalo mo tawag og tire, magnangatatanan.
Magtukmod tan.
Yehey! Yehey! Kaon na gyud, kaon na.
Yay, natan na. Let's go.
fourth stop,
Korea na ay Sapporo sa Balo-I. Ay, Japan. May Sapporo. Area mo sa Balo-I namin Sapakan. The best balbakwa. Maranao version.
adventures with family would not be completed without food trip, and this time we had, of course, Muslim food. and we had siyawawan na karni and tiolo.
A few moments later.
Bye! Thank you. Salamat. Busog with Muslim food. Time to go to the next destination. Let's go! How's life here in Balo-I?
Oo, may problema diri. Dili na tinuod ng kuan, delikadong Balo-I. In fact, ang Balo-I is kaduha na, back-to-back na awardee, local government awardee sa DILG. So that means ang Balo-I is booming up. Gapuli, mahimo na ni siya ang first class municipality soon, very soon. So nanata karon sa kuan sa poblasyon, barangay poblasyon. See, ang most itong gingon ko sa mga dako. Most kana oh. Diba? Pinaka-heart sa Balo-I kani mismo siya.
Ito mo ang legit na mga ano, paper. Paper.
May tank po, UNICEF. Yeah, tank area.
Fifth stop. The Balo-I Bridge is where we can see the Agus River, which is the source of the grandiose Maria Cristina Falls, Mimalok Falls, and Tinago Falls.
So guys, this part is going to Maria Cristina Falls in Iligan City, and right there is going to Marawi from Lake Lanao. Yeah, that's it.
Sixth stop.
So we're here again for another food trip. We will eat katerol. It's some it's like a California maki of Maranao.
Katerol is made up of fries and chicken kebab wrapped in a roti.
Ano sa'yo? Hindi ka makakain na? Hot sauce, ayaw mo? Ano dong?
Labi pa.
Sarap.
What's up guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share this video, and then always share peace and love. Bye bye.